cop the new VR. You know what I'm saying? Brooklyn way, this that Treyway shit, man. Blood walk. It's that real bloody shit. Treyway shit, man. Yo, we out of here, blood. Motherfucking blood walk.
You blunt the way or no?
Yo, what up, man? It's your boy Project Jit, man.
Treyway shit, man.
You hear me checking in with your boy Treyway? You already know what it is, man. BHB straight, man. You hear me?
Eastside shit, man. We here, man. The family here. The family strong.
Definitely.
Billy Way, man.
Hey, y'all follow me at Project Jit, man.
What is that?
What the fuck going on, man? Eastside shit, man. Treyway shit, man.
Definitely,
You know what I'm saying? We strong, man.
If it ain't
Billy
five,
out here, man.
If it ain't five, it ain't motherfucking live. You heard? Rock.
Yo, give me that shit bang shit.
You heard?
Bang bang. Anyway.
Definitely, man.
Eastside shit, man.
You hear me? On the block with it.
Man. Billy, you know
You hear
what I'm
me?
saying?
BH.